Hello everyone, this is another video that I'm trying to make to show how you can replace the battery terminal on Alfa Romeo Mito. So as you can see, this terminal here, particularly like the positive here, it's a bit old. Well, actually like both of this, the negative and positive are old, but the biggest issue with the positive one right now is that because I didn't pay attention when I undone this nut and then it's or done this nut, so it actually twists the underlying metal clamp here. What it means is now it does not hold the position tight, and basically it just keep loose, and then and then the car don't have the sufficient battery to do whatever that it need to do. So now I got a replacement part, not really a direct replacement if I have to be honest, but something that you can buy from eBay, Amazon, whatever, that hopefully will do the job. I actually use that on another car as well. So now what I'm going to show is how you can undo this and move it to here. Let's go. Okay, now you can see that actually got undone. So this one should holding here, right? This one holding here, secure by a nut. The problem is this one is twist. I mean, if I want to be lazy, don't want to do anything, then maybe the easy things to do is just clamp this thing a little bit tight so that it holds, right? But I think it's just really tired for this thing, and I'm very determined to replace this, and just what this video about. So I guess I will need to cut this thing, which I don't want to but have to, because otherwise I don't know how I can remove this. Maybe maybe you will have a better idea, maybe someone have a better idea, but at least is what I'm going to do. To cut this, you need some tool, right? And then like if you want to replace this with another connector, you need a tool. So that's why we have this here. So I actually, because of other works that I have been doing, so I got this terminal set. You can get it from whatever, eBay, Amazon, and then I think this is the biggest that I can use right now for this cable. So this the connector that I'm going to put in, and then I'll use this to cut the head of the cable. So I don't know how you call it, but some electric cable tool that you can find eBay, Amazon, whatever. And then this one is going to use this to clamp this thing. So basically you put the cable in, and then you put this thing in and clamp it so that it holds. Right, you can see a lot of copper inside. So yeah, so so basically this cable is what it looks like. So I'm going to cut here, right? So make sure you you measure the dimension, the copper does fit, right? So I hope it will. Is actually a bit thick, yeah. And then I will cut the inside so that I can slip this thing in. So now we got this, you can see here, right? The shield got removed, and then actually I forgot to mention, you may also want this sleeve to protect it. I mean, you probably if you got a better one that fit like this, great. I mean, if not, then maybe I mean, I'm thinking this will also kind of help. I mean, it's better than nothing. Is yeah, I'll give it a try. Okay, now you can see this thing actually fits perfectly. Is sit here. So what I'm going to do is I will try to use the clamp by myself, see if that works. If not, then I'll ask for some help from my family. But yeah. So I think this tool, like, you know, so first of all, like, you can it's like, you know, you clamp it like this, but then, like, you know, if in order to adjust this, you need to I think I forgot how to do it. Some sort of turn. Oh, well, actually, like, you know, you push it like this and then you turn it. So you can see, like, I guess this is the right size for it. I think I'll give a try with this numbers 25 to 18, and does it. I think it looks okay. So I need to protect this thing with the sleeve here. So this one, you know, is shaken by heat. So what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to use some fire. Yeah. But yeah, since this is next to battery, so be careful, make sure you know what you're doing. So yeah, I will just do it here, right, you know, a little bit away. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to use the fire to heat this thing up. I mean, if you got a heat gun, that would be great. If you I mean, because it's engine bay, right, like, you make sure, you know, you be careful, right? So so this is what I'm going to do. Now, so we got this sleeve, you know, shank, so it kind of protect this this connection here, right? So and then, like, I think I need to use some tape to I mean, not the best, it's more like, you know, but you know, you get the idea. You can always get some better tape, you know, whatever was not. So this is, you know, at least allow me to start the car. Okay, now we got this here, right? So so basically, like, you just, you know, connecting all this thing together, which is super straightforward, I would say. Right, so yeah, I think I'll just go to this direction, and yeah, wait, yeah, so oh, this one actually cannot go here. It's blocking the way. Let me think. To get it fit together. Oh, oh, no! Oh God, where are they? Okay, I think I'm lucky because I actually can find this tool back. I mean, learn from the lesson, right? Like, you know, don't put it somewhere that that's secure. And yeah, so my decision right now is to well, you know, connect this thing to here. I still put the spacer here, like, you know, because I thought maybe in future I may need this. Who knows, right? So it's better to keep it here. It does not hurt. And then yeah, this two will go together because so that it won't block the way. So this is like how I'm going to do it. So I'll take the same. No, it's actually shorter. So yeah. I learned my lesson. I put it here, not good waste. Holy, let's do this. Okay, let's do it like this. Put a long one here. I tighten it down, make it tight, right? Anyway, so now I'm going to push this thing back on. Okay, now it is fitted. To be honest, I don't know if this is better than, if it is any better than this kind of like lock here, right? Like, it seems a pain to install, but at least it's tight for now. So yeah, let's do a test. Hope it won't explode. All right. Okay, it seems to work. You can see the light is on. So because I didn't connect all the things, so I'm just going to turn this on without turning on the engine. But yeah, you got the idea, hopefully. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in next video. Thank you.